Hi, Kevin Peterman, Senior Product Manager for Liberty AV, here with our new wireless collaboration device at InfoComm 26. So this device gives us the ability to do two different types of collaboration. Natively, it has AirPlay and Miracast built in for wireless BYOD presentations. It also has input so that a local device could be connected to it, some sort of hardwired connection. And then separately from that is that we have these individual puck and button USB-C dongles that allow us to not only wirelessly screen share, but also wirelessly extend USB devices. So in this particular demo, what you're seeing is the video soundbar is wirelessly communicating back to that laptop, both audio, video, and USB, allowing us to collaborate, to screen share, and to even run a Teams or a Zoom or Google Meet or any type of wireless collaboration type session without a single cable being connected. For more information, you can visit us at libertyonline.com. Thank you very much.